Hello there, my name is Alex, and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we'll be showing you how to freeze stock and access frozen stock sheets. Let's begin. First, log into the SmartSale's point of sale software. Navigate to Panel 1, then click on Item Lookup. At the bottom right, click on the orange Stock Balance button. You'll see a Stock Sheet ID box. Enter an ID number to identify the current stock sheet. I recommend using the current date or time to make it easier when comparing different sheets. Next, click Freeze Stock. Now, click the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of all previously created stock sheets. Select the one you just made, then click Get Stock Sheet. Here, you can easily compare stock levels between different sheets. Next, log into the SmartSale inventory and reporting application. Navigate to Reports and Queries, and under Panel C, select Stock Sheet. Just like in the point of sale, you can select the stock sheet ID to view the full report. The main advantage here is that this report can be exported or printed, which is very useful for stock counts or when entering new quantities. And that's it for stock freeze and stock sheets. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.